What's the weather? First, we will sing the song and do some motions. Then we will sing the song again, and I will give each child a different stick. They will listen for that weather type as we sing, and they will hold up the stick when they hear us name the weather type. So let's begin with that, and we'll start with our song. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather out today? Is it sunny? Is it raining? Is it cloudy out today? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather out today? Is it snowy? Is it windy? Is it storming out today? Boom! So you can do the motions, or like I said, you can hand out a stick to each child, a different weather type. Then, when you sing the song again, they raise their stick if they hear that weather type. Finally, invite one child to be your special weather helper, and that child gets to go look out the window and see what's the weather today. When they come back, the other children get to ask that child what the weather was, and you can use this cube to help ask the questions. So another child will roll the cube, and they rolled snowing, so they can ask, is it snowing? No. Then pass the cube. Is it sunny? No, says the weather helper. And finally, is it raining? Yes, it's raining today. And so then that weather helper gets to take the raining stick and put it in the pocket for today. Here you have the days of the week, and they'll put the weather stick in today's weather. Before they do it, you can sing the days of the week song. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And what is today? Tuesday. We put the raining, it is raining on Tuesday. Then you can ask the children, how many days has it rained this week? There are 2 rainy days this week. What do you think tomorrow might be? Will it be sunny or raining or cloudy? Maybe some snow or wind or a storm. Children can predict and talk about what they think tomorrow might be, and that's a way for you to practice yesterday, today, and tomorrow.